Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog taken last weekend. It was on Thursday, kids had their karate test for their next belt. They were yellow belt, but happy that they have passed to the next level, that's the orange belt. I always wanted my kids to learn karate. It actually builds confidence when we have self-defense skills. More than boys, I love girls learning this, be it karate, kung fu or whatever art it be. Be it girls or boys, it's good for anyone. And moreover, it's an activity to make kids move around rather than sitting at home and watching TV. And as their vacation has started, high chance for them to have more screen time. So these will help get rid of those. On the way back home, we met our brother-in-law Jawad, my husband's cousin Hadi's husband. You might have seen Jawad in few of my vlogs, but Hadi and kids weren't here at that time. But now they are. We'll show them in some time. So they will be coming home later that evening. Was in a confusion whether to prepare snacks or dinner because it was that time of the day. I anyway started few snack preparation. This is made with leftover Kerala puttu, a very commonly prepared snack for evening tea. Heat some ghee, then go some cumin seeds. Usually black sesame seeds are also added. As I didn't have it, I added white one. And then goes in Kerala puttu that's crumbled. Add some sugar and a very tasty snack is ready. This was not for serving them as this doesn't go in the list of snacks for guests. For them, I prepared two other ones. Had these 4 very ripe bananas lying around. Along with that, added half cup sugar and half teaspoon salt together in a bowl. Then goes in 2 cups whole wheat flour. If you have watched my banana bomb recipe, this is similar to that, but this is with wheat flour and some other ingredients. Now add half to 3/4 cup Rava or semolina. This is not roasted one, you may if you want. That's 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup oil. The batter shouldn't be runny, nor should be like a dough. To loosen a bit, I added almost half cup water. So this is how you'll need the consistency to be. Let that rest for 15 minutes. Heat the oil that's needed to fry these mini banana balls. Place the oil on medium-low so that it gets heated slowly. While the oil is getting heated, I had few pots and plates in the sink to clean up. Quickly finish that off. Once the oil is ready, roll out a tiny dumpling with your palm and add to the oil. These can be made into your preferred size, but these look really cute when made to bite-sized balls. You munch like popcorns. Make sure after a few seconds of filling your kadai, use a spoon and keep stirring so that the color of the balls are even. Just like how we fry gulab jamuns. The flame shouldn't be high at all as these can burn easily without being cooked inside. So keep the flame low-medium. On the other side, I'm boiling some eggs to make another dish, that's egg kapama. It's a Turkish dish. I had done this once in a vlog from Kerala. When we called them up, they had informed they might take more time. And as my husband came from office, he badly wanted a cup of tea. So I prepared a small cup for both of us. This is powdered jaggery from Double Horse that I use for tea. I don't add in the milk while boiling. I feel the taste changes. Adding it later tastes better. Just few of these balls right now for us, and the rest goes for them. Had forgotten that I had even prepared the easy puttu snack. This is even Arman's favorite. After having tea, I started preparing the egg kapama and wanted to finish off before they come. But in between, doorbell rang. It was them. This is Jawad and Hadi with their tiny tots. Egg kapama is really simple yet packed with flavors. The spices used in the authentic dish are different. However, I adjusted as per our needs. Here I used 1.5 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon crushed black pepper, half teaspoon dry mint, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon dry basil, half teaspoon dry parsley, 1 teaspoon salt. Now melt some generous amount of butter. Around half cup of butter, it should come after you melt. Now add the spices and herbs into it. Keep the flame to low. Mix for half a minute. You need to slice each egg in half and place it upside down. Add some mozzarella cheese on top. Cover and let the cheese melt. After a minute, turn off the flame and keep that aside. You may use pita bread. I had bun, sliced in half, placed it on the tawa to heat them along with a small slice of butter. And then served them food with tea. This was neither an evening snack nor a dinner. We all spent time together at home for almost 1.5 hours. It was weekend, so getting out from home was mandatory. We still didn't want anything heavy for dinner as the evening food was enough, but went to get some fresh juice to beat the heat. It's really hot these days here in Oman, and a glass of something cold will be so refreshing. Later went to a location, I guess they call it Waterfront. It was late night and most of the shops there were closed. And look what I got to see here, coconut trees. It was surprising. Have heard that Salalah has so much there, but never expected something here. Spend some time together and return midnight. Though I've heard a lot of dosa varieties, I prepare only the normal one almost every time. The next day morning cooked a different one. I had soaked some moong dal to prepare dosa out of it. Added 1 cup soaked moong dal into a blender. In goes a small piece of ginger, green chilies, 1 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, around 1 cup rice flour, and water. While grinding, water was less, so added more to get it well blended. And the water quantity is just like of the normal dosa batter. Add more water if needed. Add salt and mix. Kept that aside till I made the red chutney. Into a blender goes in some grated coconut, added a small piece of ginger, 3 red chilies, few shallots, added few more coconut. Then goes some Kashmiri red chili powder for an extra color. Finally goes some warm water. To temper, splutter a teaspoon of mustard seeds in hot coconut oil, some curry leaves and dried red chilies. I forgot to switch on my camera while adding to the chutney. I added to the blender itself and closed the lid. That's some salt to season. Time to prepare dosa. I changed the non-stick tawa to iron tawa as the taste is much better on the iron tawa. I was having a feeling that it might stick to the iron tawa, and that's the reason I chose non-stick first, but then gave a try. Dosas are always incomplete without a teaspoon of ghee on it. And there I get it without sticking. Someone had asked me recently, why don't I flip dosas? I have never seen my mother nor my mother-in-law or anyone in our family flipping dosas. We pour, spread, cover, and then take it out. The only one we flip are rice rotis or any wheat rotis. This dosa is like a paper dosa. It's crispy and thin. To save time, I placed the non-stick tawa on the other side to make it quick. But to be honest, I cooked only one dosa on it. The texture was not that great. It's true that I love to serve dosa one at a time to each one to have it hot and crispy. But as it was a weekend, my husband and kids insisted on having it together and they could wait. Left the last one on the tawa and we had our breakfast together. The last one was booked by my husband. It was super crispy. So that's all for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed watching it. If so, do give a thumbs up so that I know. Do try the few recipes mentioned today and do share your feedback. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.